Today, Sarah and I are excited to make some polenta, and we're cheating a bit because this is the one that you cook very quickly. And then we're gonna top these round medallions of polenta with this sauce, and then with some mozzarella. We'll place it in the oven and have an amazing lunch. The water is boiling. We'll put the salt in, and a nice drizzle of olive oil. Now, we can either use a whisk or a wooden spoon. We'll start up by using the whisk. We're going to turn the fire off and just allow a gentle rain to come in here while we whisk very well so it doesn't clump up. Now I'm going to turn the fire back on, and you just keep stirring. I can now also use the wooden spoon. Just be very careful. Polenta will sputter and it can get really hot fast. So we're just going to keep doing this as it is boiling. Now you see this beautiful consistency. The fire is off and it's perfect to spread out on the pan. We're going to oil the pan. I should have done that sooner, but hey, I'm going to do it right now. And we can just spread the oil around so tomorrow when we cut out the medallions, it will not stick to the pan. Make sure to cover the edges as well with the oil. And now we're going to pour the polenta right in here and spread it out. And then we will let it cool, cover it up, and place it in the refrigerator overnight. Now this is another good method by putting some parchment paper on it, and just take your hands and you can kind of feel where it's still uneven and you can rub it smoothly. This is also another way to make medallions. I put this into this food safe plastic wrap, and now we're going to close it up and shape it into a nice round like this. And then from here we will be able to cut medallions off like that once it's cooled. So here, the day after, is our polenta. It doesn't look very smooth on this side, but this is where we're going to put the goodies on. With this mold right here, we're going to cut a bunch of little squares out. And you see on the other side, it's nice and pretty and smooth. But we're going to go around and cut all these nice little squares out. Our little squares are placed here. The oil is almost at the right temperature and we can fry them. As for the rest of these, we will make something very good on a different day. Our oil is at about 180 degrees Celsius. We're going to place them in, and we're going to fry these for about 10 minutes or until they're golden brown on both sides. Now we're just going to flip them. So we just want them to be nice and crispy on both sides. Yes. Now we're going to just place them on this yellow absorbent paper and allow the excess grease to come out. They're not ready to eat yet because they're still too hot. Right now they would burn your mouth. Let's see if Nona can take them out. Okay. Those are called polenta fritta. Ooh, they're still sizzling, right? Yes, you're right, they are yellow. Let's put some more in. And here are our last ones. They're also beautifully golden brown. We'll place them again on this yellow paper. Now we're going to place them on a baking sheet and put all our goodies on there. So here we go. A little bit of this sauce right on top. And then once they're all covered with the sauce, we'll also put a little bit of mozzarella on top and back in the oven. And now the mozzarella, we're just gonna cut little pieces off. Just a few little flakes of hot pepper. Let's bring them into the oven. The oven is hot, and now we're gonna slide them in and allow the oven to do its magic. As you can see, the cheese has nicely melted and we're ready to bring them in. We're simply gonna place some rucola right on here, and then we will transfer these delicious little guys right on here. And this is gonna be an amazing little appetizer or afternoon snack. Or if you have guests coming over that are waiting to eat dinner. And here is the last one. We're gonna get a little bit of this chopped up parsley and just put a bit on them. Look at this nice little accent on there. Absolutely beautiful. As usual, I get to be the first one that gets to taste one. I think I'm gonna pick this one here. And let me see if we just divide. Oh, it's nice and crunchy. And look at this nice cheesiness here. Buon appetito.